Hello everyone, I am Apurva Sood and I'm starting with problem statement 3 of task 2 by Start Tech Academy. And this task included us to create a linear regression model using Python or R to predict the salary of new hires from the data provided. So we were given two data sets, one was the train and the other was the test. I started building my model using the train data set. I solved this problem using RStudio and the results I have exported in a PDF format. I'll walk you through the process. So starting with clearing the environment, I installed the libraries that were necessary for my model building. Afterwards, I imported the dataset and removed the serial number column as it was not required. Then I got the summary statistics for my dataset. So here you can see that the numerical variables have minimum, maximum, mean, median and interquartile ranges, and the others have length, class and mode. There were three character variables in the dataset that were college, role and city type. So they were to be converted into factor using the as.factor function in R. Afterwards, I used Bayesian information criterion method to eliminate the insignificant variables from the dataset. After performing this, I found that 5 variables were to be included in my model that were college, role, city type, previous CTC and experience in months. After that, I got the summary statistics for my model, and here you can see that the adjusted R-square value is 0.6064. That means that 60% of the variability in CTC is being explained by the variables that I've included in the model. I got the residues for the model and plotted the histogram for the same. And similarly, I did a QQ plot. Afterwards, I used the Shapiro-Wilk test to assess the normality of the residuals and found that the residuals were not normally distributed. Autocorrelation is one of the assumption of linear regression model, and we can test that using the Dubbin-Watson test. And after performing this test, I found that there is no autocorrelation amongst the residuals. So now I had built my model and now imported the new dataset that was a test dataset for me. Similarly, here also I converted the character variables into factor. So now after attaching the new data, I got the predicted values and found the root mean square error that was 7853.